Welcome to the demonstration on extending Google Enterprise Search to business information and social assets managed on IBM Connections, using Persistence Enterprise Content Search Enabling Connector. This demonstration will help you understand the key capabilities of the Persistent Connector and how it will benefit the organization. We all know that IBM Connections is the enterprise social computing software that enables business users to connect with their colleagues across multiple locations, share files and resources, organize work, and track records. Google Search Appliance provides fast, relevant and secure search across multiple enterprise information assets. Leveraging a set of connectors, some from Google and others from their partners like Persistent, GSA extends the search capability to enterprise content repositories such as IBM Lotus Notes, WebSphere, FileNet, Microsoft SharePoint, SAP, EMC, and OpenText. To highlight, Persistent provides connectors for IBM Lotus Notes, WebSphere, SAP, EMC, and OpenText. GSA enhances business agility, productivity and efficiency through a personalized search experience across various departments and geographies. Persistence Connector Suite enables integration of third-party content repositories with enterprise search products like GSA. The connector to IBM Connections is one such connector that enables navigation and discovery of business information in IBM Connections. This connector helps retrieve content, metadata and access control list from the Connections repository and feed to GSA for indexing. Together with GSA, the connector enables IBM Connections customer achieve better information discovery, content search, knowledge sharing, process adoption, team collaboration, and expertise networking. Let us now have a look at the deployment of this connector. The connector navigates through Connections and retrieves data from entities such as blogs, activities, and communities from IBM Connections along with their metadata. The connector feeds this data to GSA. GSA then processes the feeds, indexes these documents, and makes them available for search. The connector enables early binding security with the help of GSA's access control lists-based security. This approach improves the search time performance significantly and results in faster query responses for the users. GSA further strengthens security through user authentication against the enterprise-configured IBM Tivoli server, which is also integrated with IBM Connections. The connector thus helps businesses securely extend Google search capability over organizational social content residing in their IBM Connections deployment. It honors enterprise security and provides ability to open results directly in the IBM Connections view. Besides this connector for IBM Connections, Persistent provides connectors to other important enterprise content management systems like IBM Lotus, EMC Documentum, and OpenText eDocs. Real-time information lookup on enterprise application data such as SAP and Exchange. Ready suite of connectors to navigate and discover enterprise portals like SAP Knowledge Management, IBM WebSphere, and Oracle Web Center. All these to extend the enterprise search coverage. Thank you for viewing the demonstration. We hope that you have found this demonstration useful. Here are the contact details for you. You can also view more information by visiting our website at persistentsys.com.